You buried me. You bitch. No, 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 no. Sit down. Always running. As I was saying, you buried me. Not with dirt, not with a shovel, no, no. With silence. Yeah. Every time you smiled instead of screaming. Every time you apologized when you did nothing wrong. Every time you said what they did was okay when it wasn't okay. But I waited. You thought I would rot in that quiet little grave you made. But you forgot something. Roots don't die. They grow. Now see, I'm not your enemy. I am the part of you who knew better. You should have let me speak. You should have let me burn. But instead, you buried me. And now, I've come back to speak for you.